All right, Carb, here's your 427 small block Ford gear description. It's a combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. Edelbrock air gap, quick fuel carburetor, custom ground hydraulic roller, put the rear sump oil pan on it. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,300, 555 foot-pounds of torque, 563 at peaks. That's a pretty awesome number there. That's the new cylinder head, air gap. Peaks horsepower 529, rated at 520, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things. Receive your engine and find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information, engine build specs, Dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specs. You need anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. You flip it over, it's a QR code. That'll take you to some more tech stuff. So really recommend watch all this stuff. Have a great day.